Grow is to be accountable. Earlier, di po namin naabutan si Kuya Jimmy Pascual.
Like you're supposed to pay for it, like subscription.
Ayan yung pick up! Sapakin natin! Sorry, ano?
Mamakyo ka.
Bakit nga ba?
Ha?
Bakit nga ba?
Bakit nga ba?
Bakit nga ba?
Alam mo kung lubok-lubok yung daan.
You tell me! Bakit nga ba?
Don't tell me.
No, you tell me! You tell me!
Huwag kang mamamakyo.
Bakit nga ba? You tell me!
Ginagit-git nyo kasi
May side mirror pa ako, wala! Hindi ka gumagamit side mirror mo? Dumbass!
Huwag ka doon na.
Ikaw ang wag ganon. You use your side mirror. Bitches. Huwag mo itong pikon eh, no? Kaganyan ka pa. Sira ulo.
Wala.
Pwede mo nga yung fucking plate number yan.
Sorry po.
Mais ka. Taragin ko yung pangit mong pick-up.
To grow is to be accountable. Earlier, di po namin naabutan si Kuya Jimmy Pascual sa bahay niya at sa work niya to personally apologize. So, I would like to take this opportunity to say sorry to Kuya Jimmy for what I've caused. And of course, as well as to those people who got dragged into the issue, sorry din po sa citizen of Zambales, the riding community, especially the off-road community. This issue is all on me. I'm still learning. This one especially the hard way. I promise to be more patient next time, especially on the road. And I'll listen to my ates and kuyas more. Na-feel ko na po yung mundong maraming galit and ayoko na pong maulit po yun. Again, sorry po at pasensya po ulit. Maraming salamat po.